Okay, today guys, we're going to be playing a trumpet that I hired from school instrument. Oh, I don't want to quickly change t-shirts because that means it... Oh, why has it done that? That means it... I don't change t-shirts because it's going to show my school logo and I'm not allowed to show that. So I'm going to change t-shirts because I don't want people to find out what school I go to. But hopefully you can see from there. This is my trumpet, mouthpiece, and then goes on there. My favourite note to play is F, which is this one holding down. We've been learning E, that one. C is just holding it, just none down. G is a weird one because it's the exact same as C, but you hold it differently, so I can't do C yet. And D's these two down. So I'm going to be playing each note that I can. And the first one I'm going to be doing is F. Hold on. So that was F. I'm going to do E now. Just saying, that was barely any loud. Well, it was loud, but that's not as loud as it can go. I'll show you in a minute how loud it can go. That I can make it go. It can go a lot louder than what I can do. This is E. Oh, did I do that right? That's E. D is, hold on. One note that we haven't been learning, which you only probably use two different situations, which I don't know, is all three down. It doesn't have a letter because you're not really going to use it, but this is all three down. Right, I'll show you how loud F can go. You probably couldn't hear that as good, but that was loud. I think I just made a car beep. Hold on. No, there was plovers in the way. Alright. I'll show you how loud E can go. That was loud. Show you how loud D can go. Yeah. So I'm just going to play a couple notes of F. We haven't been really learning any songs because it's only second and third lesson. Because last 2 weeks ago, well, from now 1 week ago, but I do lessons on Thursdays. So not yesterday, but the week before that. The music teacher was away, so we couldn't do it. But I'm going to play a couple notes on F. Hold on. Oh, God damn it. Alright, see you in the next video. I'm going to practice, but not recording anymore.